Welcome. Have you ever wished for a seamless workflow? Today, we'll explore integrating ChatGPT with Zapier, Notion, and Google Docs. Many struggle to keep track of tasks and information. It's easy to get lost in the chaos. By integrating ChatGPT with your favorite tools, you can streamline your operations. Now, let's break down the steps. Step 1. Connecting ChatGPT and Zapier. Create a Zapier account, log in, choose Make a Zap, and select ChatGPT as the trigger app. Step 2. Setting triggers. Choose an event like receiving a new message. Step 3. Linking with Notion. Now, add Notion as the action app. You can create database entries automatically from ChatGPT responses. Step 4. Integrating with Google Docs. Select Google Docs as another action. You can create, edit, or even append documents seamlessly. It helps maintain your written notes, instantly organized. Now, let's discuss the benefits further. Having ChatGPT handle tasks saves time. Need to generate ideas? ChatGPT provides instant responses. Automating this routine makes you more efficient. Consider a scenario: you're brainstorming new content. Zapier sends the best ones straight to your Notion database. You spend less time sorting through ideas. Today we learned how to integrate ChatGPT with Zapier, Notion, and Google Docs to streamline your workflow. Stay organized and productive now that you know the basics. It's time to take action. Start integrating ChatGPT with your tools today to transform your workflow and boost efficiency. In the next video we will discuss about daily planning and goal setting. Stay connected with us. Thank you for watching.